Hey everyone, happy Friday. I hope whichever part of the world you're watching this from, that you and your family are doing well. I am reporting live from beautiful and now it's kind of warm, Germany, but it's been very cold. But I just wanted to jump on here to remind you that today is the very last day that for $22 you can get a warmer that's valued at over $35. You can get fall and winter fragrance testers, samples, catalogs, and some other goodies for $22, guys. Okay, literally, even if you decide to do absolutely nothing with it, you will have warmer fragrances and samples. Okay, but this will allow you the opportunity to either get cash back on your own products, buying Scentsy, buying laundry product, buying gifts, all that kind of stuff that you already do anyways. It allows you the opportunity to make a little bit of extra income by maybe just selling to family and friends, or if you wanted to take it a step further and build your own business, build an organization like I have, that is something that you can do. In all of this for $22. I started with $99 and it was the best $99 that I've ever invested in. It's completely changed my life, as many of you already know, those who have been with me for years. So $22 can do the same thing for you, and I'm here to coach you all the way. So if you have any questions, let me know. Link in my bio.